Welcome back to Yoga with AJ Vlogs. Today we're going to talk about what we can do to give ourselves relief or make ourselves more comfortable when we're in a confined space at work, or maybe if we're traveling, perhaps like in an aircraft. So the first thing to do is check how we're seated. I'm sitting in an elevated chair. My feet are dangling off the ground and that's not very comfortable on my back or on my legs. So maybe I want to take the chair a little lower. So now I have my feet flat on the ground. My knees and my hips are in line with each other, and that's very relaxing on my back and on my legs. Coming to the back, you want to make sure that you have a chair that supports your lower back. So this has a little bit of a back support. It doesn't allow me to slouch or to lean forward. It helps me to sit up straight by giving me some support in the lumbar back, in the lower back. In order to have your shoulders relaxed, you need to keep your elbows maybe at 90 degrees or a little higher so that the shoulders don't need to strain to hold your arms in place. A lot of people tend to slouch over their keyboards, look up, look down, and don't allow the shoulders to rest. So the shoulders and the back are relaxed, and maybe you want to bring your attention now to your legs. Some people feel very uncomfortable sitting in this position because it makes the hamstrings and the lower back a little tight. So maybe you want to prop your feet up on a nice footrest that relaxes your legs and your lower back. So let's go through a few stretches that you can do right at your desk or maybe even in a chair in the aircraft. So we start out maybe by sitting a little ahead in our chairs and stretching out the legs, just pressing the heel down, lengthening the leg and leaning slightly forward, straightening out the back. Hold that position for a while and change, and feel the back of your leg really stretching out. The back of your knee, your calf and your thigh. It feels really good. And to lean slightly forward also feels good in the lower back. So maybe a couple of times with these stretches for the legs, and then continuing to sit a little forward in your chair, straightening out the back, and then gently folding the back, allowing the neck to drop. And stretching up, taking a nice long inhalation. As you exhale, curving into a ball. Don't worry about what the people around you think of you. Just feel good, allowing your back to release. Then you come back to the center and allowing your neck to stretch again in the same movement. Inhale as you look up, exhale as you come down. Maybe 2 more times. At a nice gentle pace. Stretching out the neck, sideways. Doing whatever you need to do to allow it to open up a little bit, maybe looking sideways to your right and to your left. And to strengthen the neck, there are a few very simple exercises. Just place one hand against the side of your head, so you're gently pushing, feeling this side of your neck working. Hold for maybe 2 to 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And release. You'll feel this side of your neck relaxing a little bit. Doing the same thing on the other side. Resistance, inhale and exhale and release. And then rolling out the shoulders, maybe 5 times, going back. And maybe 5 times forward. Just loosening up the shoulders and the neck area. Now that your shoulders and back are feeling a little relaxed, you can start stretching out the upper body a little bit more. Maybe you just take your arms overhead, interlock the fingers and stretch it up. Lengthen your neck, grow nice and long. Keep breathing. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale fully. Use your mouth when you exhale if you want. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. One last time. And relax the arms. Relax those shoulders. Loosen up the neck. So maybe you want to take a break maybe every 20 minutes or an hour, 2 hours. It depends on how tired you get sitting at your chair. You can do simple exercises just to roll the shoulders. One way and the other way. Do as many repetitions as you feel good doing. Working your ankles, allowing them to stretch. The best thing for a stiff back and achy legs is to get up and walk around once in a while. Maybe you can go for a walk in your office or go downstairs and move around in the compound. I'm going to go for my walk in a bit. Make sure you keep stretching to avoid feeling pain or stiffness in your lower back and your hamstrings. I'll see you in my next vlog. Take care.